forces today foiled the attempt of a group of IDPs who are taking refuge at Sajiwa relief camp to enter their original villages at Dolaithabi, Iko and Yankuman, which lies in sensitive fringe areas. The incident occurred at Pukal Dolaithabi area in Imphal East when the IDPs gathered together near Pukal Terapur and attempted to march towards Dolaithabi, Iko and Yankuman at around 9 a.m. However, large numbers of security forces deployed at the area stopped them from proceeding further at Pukal Dolaithabi on the ground that the villages which the IDPs were trying to move in are still sensitive. That resulted in a brief exchange of words between the two sides. The situation was brought under control after officials from district administration arrived at the scene and pacified the IDPs. Speaking to reporters, some IDPs decried that the government denied their access to their original villages, although it provided some amounts from the reconstruction of their houses. They further denounced the acts of the security forces, stating that it curtails the IDPs' rights to hold peaceful sit-in protests for airing their grievances. Meanwhile, some IDPs managed to enter the Dolaithabi village and took stock of their residences. An IDP emotionally informed that the premises of the IDP's houses were covered with thick grass and unwanted plants. She went on to urge the district administration to take up appropriate measure for allowing the IDPs to return to their original homes.
Koi moi de irang hoge hai ba satpa nate akoi di khali akoi gi iram dam nungsi ba je yeng jaraga akoi ya da ba ma hai ba to khangan na ba akoi na sum lai ba se wa ba ni na akoi ji icham cham no se de darna phamja ge ha da na akoi lak sa ba ni akoi si yum da sang ba yani hai ba gi matam je pira ga sum lai tho pa sanghan da ba ni na akoi je karam matam da sanghan ba ya ga do no sum thau sa dra ga di ha da na
akoi isai yum da jang jara ge akoi cha dara ge akoi pakhan khala ju kai dawra ju akoi isai yum do madu da akoi lai jage adune Anirak firin na hamki tam da jo koi changan dare ngasi jo mo sebai mayam na thatta koi changan dare adu koi isai yum do loi chak khare loi gre koi adu mayum yaudara ga jo koi malak da happy tang jo yeng jara ga koi minit manga tara dang dara na phamja ge ha da mayam dina koi changan dari je changan ba ya dar ko koi nam na li sal ga pham ma koi minit manga tara dang koi dara na pham ne ba koi pham da na di halloi ba koi ngasi gi di.
Meanwhile, district administration reportedly gave assurance to villagers of the Dolaithabi to facilitate for their resettlement within 2 months. Speaking in this regard, a villager of the Dolaithabi expressed dissatisfaction on the delay by government in resettling the villagers to their original homes. He also warned to take out agitations if authorities failed to deliver to their promise within 2 months.
Akoi ujik Dolaithabi je changhalani harga sungjang changhan daba adugi akoi je ujik turela la sange kaiguma moina changhan bagi ayab je pidribo koi ngasi sungtok thoroi adum sida chagera tungira sigera adum sirani aduna si medam na ju koi gi changba yabagi ayab order adu pibi ngasi mak changdraga jo hayeng mak changdraga ju hangkit oigera thamo oigera koi changbagi ayab do hek piba matam da koi thokjagani natraga de koi punna siminagani natraga de koi punna siminagani